I'm Haley and today I'm going to be making the best peanut butter cookies you will ever eat. They're really easy to make. They have quite a few ingredients, but they're going to be so much better than all the peanut butter cookies that are like, it's only 3 ingredients. The ingredient number does make a difference. So get ready to have the most perfect peanut butter cookie ever. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is mix together 1 egg with half a cup of salted butter. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna mix all that together until it's nice and creamy. So, here it is. It's like, there's the butter, and there's some liquid at the bottom, but I'm going to just go ahead and add in the next ingredient, and it's going to help bring it all together. So next we're gonna add in half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and I'm using salted peanut butter, but I think unsalted peanut butter would work fine if that's all you have. And I'm gonna beat the peanut butter in. So as you can see, all the problems that we had with the last mixture went away when we added the peanut butter. It's nice and creamy now. And don't forget to scrape down the bottom and the sides of your bowl to make sure it all gets well combined. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to combine all of the dry ingredients. So I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. I love how it falls in a block. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of peanut butter chips, 3/4 cup of chopped salted peanuts, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm just gonna combine this all. The peanut butter cookie mix is all done. So now I'm just going to add my peanut butter cookie mix to my mixer and blend it until it's well combined. All right, I'm done mixing all my ingredients together, and now it's time to scoop these cookies out so we can get them in the oven. Okay, so now to scoop out the cookies, I'm using a tablespoon, and normally I do use a cookie scoop, but this tablespoon is the perfect size. It makes them nice and round. It just sets you up for success. Just place it on the cookie sheet, and I'm just gonna keep scooping out my cookies. Now that I'm done scooping out my cookies, I'm going to bake these. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna start at 10 minutes to bake these, but you wanna take them out as soon as they're getting a little bit crisp on the edges. And voila, fresh out of the oven. I baked these for 10 minutes. They are perfectly golden. And here's a little something that I like to do. It is not required, but I like to just take a fork and do a little crisscross that way, a little crisscross that way. All right, my cookies are slightly cooled, and now I'm ready to try one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These cookies are so delicious and so flavorful. Definitely the perfect cookie for anybody who loves peanut butter. Even if you just think peanut butter is kind of meh, it's still a nice cookie, you know? And also, I was worried about these because my oven does some crazy things sometimes. Like, it went up to 400 while they were baking, so I had to cool it down a little. But these have the perfect texture. They're crispy on the bottom and on the edges, but then they're so soft in the middle and chewy. I'm serious, if you're looking for a peanut butter cookie recipe to impress people, this is the one. Or just for yourself, you know? You deserve a good cookie. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know in the comments if you ever make these. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel, please, because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ah, I flipped a cookie.